Hello guys, it's Krysop. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here yet, please check my previous videos, and if you like the video, please comment or leave a like, and the best, subscribe. Today I want to compare three watches and they are different price. The first watch is Fishbone from company named Seiko from Japan. The second one is Fossil, which is an American fashion designer, manufacturer, and it's based in Texas. And the last one is ROAMER, which is a Swiss manufacturer, and it produces luxury watches in Wolbach. So, first things first, packing. As you can see, and guess probably the cheapest one is the watch from Seiko, and it was bought almost 20 years ago, but it still works. I'll show you more and compare the watches later on during the video. The second one is Fossil, and it's placed in a semi-sized box. And the last one from a Swiss manufacturer, and it has nice leather kind of box, as you can see from the video and up close. It has a nice sign embedded at the front, and let's proceed with unpacking. First I'll show you what's inside the box with Fossil. It doesn't have a name, it has a manufacturer number, which is FS4788. And if you see inside, it has a card with guarantee and also instruction, and there is your watch. It looks fine. It has this nice bezel which looks like a mechanic wheel, and I come back to it later. Luxury watch box. There is another box inside which resembles the outer shell, so you can see there is a name of the company on the top piece. If we open it, there you go, there is a watch inside, and if you take it out, it lies on this fantastic pillow, and there is a guarantee and instruction inside the box. Three major differences you will immediately notice between the watches are the types of bracelet. The first watch, the cheapest one, has steel bracelet, so it's quite easy to scratch, so during the time of usage it gets destroyed. The other one is traditional leather band, and the last one is ceramic bracelet, so it's very durable, and even if you scratch it with a nail or a sharp object, it won't be affected. Second thing is type of glass which is used to protect a dial. The first watch has a plastic glass, so if you look close, it's all scratched, and anything you touch or hit will affect the glass. Second watch from Fossil has better glass because the material is synthetic sapphire, and the glass is protected against scratches. ROAMER has also sapphire glass, and it's very durable. If we want to consider the way it looks on your hand and the kind of clasp the watch possesses, the cheapest one has folded clasp, which is pretty typical for steel bracelets. This is how it looks when you place it on your wrist. It has quite small dial, though it's quite easy to open. Fossil has traditional tongue buckle, which is common among semi-priced watches, and it's also a casual, like sport type of a watch. It has a case which is very thick comparing to the Fishbone watch. They almost look the same, but it looks much sharper on your hand, and it has this nice bezel and several additional functions which I will show you soon. The last watch, it has most complex closure because it's butterfly closure. I like it a lot. You just fold it over and you have brackets on the sides, and if you push them, they'll open the closure. This is how it looks on your wrist, and it's easily hidden under the shirt. It has very flat case. The main difference between these three watches is what's inside them, and to show you what's the winding system within, I'll use clippers and try to open each of the watches. And this one, as you probably notice, the hands don't move because it was lying around for almost 3 years, but I'm 100% sure it's still working, so I'll show you how you can change a battery in electric watch when you open it. You can see that the winding system is extremely small. We take out the old battery, you just push it out and it pops. You just place a new battery in the place of the old one. You press it with your finger, and as you can see, the watch started to work. So even after almost 15 years, it's still, the mechanism is still alright, and the watch is in very good condition. So if you want a cheap watch which is also waterproof because it has water resistance up to 50 meters, you see it says at the back 50 meters, I recommend this brand. It doesn't have many options. If you want to change the hour, you just pull the winding wheel and you change the hour to the actual time. Another nice feature of this watch is the fact that it has 3 dials. One is responsible for showing 24-hour time. There is also a stopper which you start by pressing one of those 2 buttons. So if I have just pressed the top button, it started to count time, and then the bottom one removes it from where it was to 0. This is very nice. It goes up to 30 minutes. So this dial shows seconds and the other one shows minutes. And how to set up the time and the date. If I pull this winding wheel once, it will let me to set up the date, and if I pull it twice, it will stop the hands and I can set up the time. It looks very fashionable, it shines, it's very nice watch. It has these little nice features as black lines which signify minutes and seconds, and all numbers have a stroke around which is made of brazen as well, so it shines really nice in the sun. This watch is not very expensive, so I think everyone can afford it, and it's very nice gift. And coming to the last and my favorite, ROAMER Diamond. What makes it stand out from other watches is the fact that it's very simple. It doesn't have numbers on the dial. It's extremely classic. As I mentioned before, it's very thin. It has stainless steel bezel, and all parts apart from the bracelet, which is ceramic, are made of this stainless steel, but it looks like silver. Also, you can notice that there is a small stone on top of the watch, and this is actual diamond. It has a date, and the same like in previous watch, if you pull this wheel once, it will let you to change the date, and if you pull it twice, it will stop and let you change the time. At the back you have additional information regarding the watch. So it's also waterproof. It has sapphire crystal glass and 3 atmospheres waterproof. To open a case you need a special tool you cannot do on your own. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Please check my other videos where I unbox stuff. I wish you a good day. Bye.